Alright, boys and girls, and welcome people to Gordon Guitar. It is Wednesday, it is Wish Wednesday, guys, so you wish for songs, I bring them up for you, and we have Rod Wave here. Wish by Stefan Umfres, or something like that, Stefan Umfres. Not sure about the pronunciation there, but anyway, you wished for Rockstar Heart. Nice, great song here, never heard it before, now I have. And this is a 4-chord song here, 1 strumming pattern. Let's go. No need for any capo here at all, so we're going clean here. 4 chords, like I said, and let's go over them. Starting with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is F. You bar the first fret over all strings, and you add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Move on to C here, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the final E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay. Like I said, 4 chords, they go in the same way through the entire song, 1 strumming around per chord. And what is the strumming here? Let's take a look at that with A minor. That is the first chord. So grab A minor and we're gonna play down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. So starting with that part first, it is down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. The up here will not be over all strings like this. It's just a turn like this in the end there on the top notes. So short pause after that down, and then you continue with down, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes. So, like I said, 1 strumming around per chord from the beginning until the very end. It goes. Yeah, got the feeling a bit for this song. That's what happens sometimes. But anyway, keep it clean and simple. A minor, F, C, and E minor. This is for you, Mr. Umfris, and I hope you enjoyed it and all you Rod Wave fans there. Keep on wishing here on this channel, and I bring up songs for you. So thank you for your support, guys. Please feel free to leave future comments for future wishes, and also to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, till next time, play tuned.